आज हम जिस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं वो है 70 mAh का डैश कैम। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड 70 mAh स्मार्ट डैश कैम प्रो और ये मैंने बैंगलुरु से ख़रीदा था आज से तकरीबन 3 साल पहले। तो दिस इज़ द डैश कैम। यहाँ पर आप मेमोरी कार्ड को डालते हैं और ये जो स्लॉट है यहाँ पे आप पावर प्रोवाइड करते हैं इसको USB केबल के थ्रू। एक स्टिकर जो अपने ग्लास पे लगाते हैं उसके ऊपर एक माउंट लगाते हैं और वो माउंट यहाँ पर फंसता है, जैसे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा गाड़ी में जब लगाता हूँ। इसके अलावा यहाँ पर एक ऑल्टरनेट भी उन्होंने दे के प्रोवाइड किया है। दिस इज़ अनदर स्टिकर, ये भी एक माउंट है। दिस इज़ द मैनुअल एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उन्होंने 12 वोल्ट का एक सॉकेट भी दिया है जो हमारे गाड़ी में DC का स्लॉट रहता है, वहाँ पर आप इसको लगा सकते हैं। एंड हियर गोज़ द USB केबल। यहाँ पर एक केबल हुआ करता है जो अपनी गाड़ी में मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, सो आई कैनॉट शो यू राइट नाउ। सो इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द स्पेसिफिकेशंस ऑफ दिस 70 mAh dash cam pro, well it can record in 1080 pixel, that is HD. So the box contains the camera, car charger, USB cable, electrostatic sticker, wiring tool, heat resistant adhesive, mounting bracket and the manual. So the question is, why do we need a dash cam? Well, it depends. Given the terrible traffic with spectacularly poor road sense, you never know how important such footages can be. Not only in identifying the irritants, but also in case of an insurance claim. Secondly, some scenic roads or journey can easily be kept in your hard drive as a souvenir. Like this one, a footage from our trip to Lansdowne in Uttarakhand. Far away from Uttarakhand, the Pitratu Valley of Ranchi in Jharkhand is equally good. And for such amazing footages, let me thank the Xiaomi DASHCAM. I still retain these videos which takes me to the past. Now in this footage I was heading toward Delhi on my Thar in the year 2019. A chakka jam was carried out by an interest group which led to a protest at some places, and I encountered the same in Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. So after waiting for an hour, finally the protester asked us to move. You can see a person in black jacket directed me to proceed. While I was gradually accelerating, here comes another guy who asked me to stop. So now a mob mentality can really be a dangerous task to handle, and thus there was no point in arguing or convincing them. The best thing to do was to take a U-turn, which we did, and circumvented the traffic by a different route. So such videos can be handy if things go out of proportion. Similarly, this footage, deserted roads of the capital amid the lockdown can be seen. This is the Barapulla, and people residing in the NCR are aware of the traffic it carries on a normal day. So all these footages is because of the dash cam. As far as the negatives are concerned, I am not really impressed by the camera's ability to shoot videos in night. They are not that great, but to an extent, it's acceptable given its limitations. Heating is another issue, but there is no way out. So here comes the verdict. Should you go for it or not? If you were to take my opinion, go ahead and mandatory install a dash cam. As far as this camera is concerned, I would certainly recommend this. You can connect it using a mobile application and Wi-Fi. With the resolution as high as 1944 pixels, 24/7 parking surveillance recording, 140-degree viewing angle, inbuilt battery of 500 mAh, 2 inches LCD, loop recording, G sensor with respect to collision and whatnot. Using a high silicon processor and image sensor by Sony, the app-controlled dashcam by Xiaomi was the right decision. Modern dashcams are GPS enabled as well. Just find out which one suits you.